Okay, so if you could learn 5 simple words, this can double your salary, and I'm going to prove it to you. And these 5 words are select, from, where, group by, order by. Every business runs on data. And if they want to know what's making them money or what's losing them money, they need somebody who can pull that information from the database. And they pull that information using SQL. And in this video, I'm going to give you 3 simple points on why you need to learn SQL to break into tech and why every business needs it. All right, first, we're going to start with understanding that SQL is a language of data. Every single company uses data. If you think of Amazon, Uber, or even Netflix, they use SQL. So like if you want to understand what product that you're pulling, right? Or what product that you are searching for to buy, Amazon has a database that stores all that information. Let's talk about Uber. Uber, if you're looking for certain riders in your area, if you're looking for a ride, all that information is stored in the database. Same thing with Netflix. Not only do they store movie information, but they also store your history of what kind of movies you like. They ask you those questions when you sign up. What kind of movies do you like? All that information is stored under your account. Everything is stored in a database, and results can be presented to you in real time, and that's used by using SQL. So all of these companies, they need somebody with this skill so that they can be able to pull this information or even set it up so that it can work for you, the customer. This brings me to my point number 2. SQL is used in every single industry. It's not only the 3 that I mentioned, or it's not just tech companies. It's with every industry. So if you think about hospitals need SQL to understand patient data. If you think about any marketing company, they need to understand customer retention or just customer information. What are they buying? Things of that nature. Retail stores, they need to know what's in stock. What's the demand? What are customers buying more often? And what's staying on shelves? For hospitals, what patient information is important for the hospital to understand? All this information is important and everything is stored in the database, but you cannot name one industry that does not, or you cannot name one business that does not use data in their day-to-day. Point number 3, SQL is the easiest high earning income skill to learn. For me, it took me 8 weeks to understand SQL. Like I mentioned earlier in this video, you just need to understand 5 words to start off, and you're already halfway there. And that's select, from, where, group by, and order by. If you understand these 5 words, how to use them, when to use them, what kind of data to pull, how to filter, all these pieces of information is important to understand this skill. So if you're serious about getting into tech, SQL is the easiest first step. We have a program that can get you from 0 to job ready. So click this link if you want to get some more info, and let's get to work.